Ooh, big one. Big Otis elevator. Passenger and freight. Level 1 is actually upstairs. There's a showcase room, restaurant, and cafeteria. By the way, we're in the new IKEA. And we have Otis. Yeah, this is not very well put together. That's 1 point off. In the meantime, while it's coming, there's your marketplace. There's your escalator. And here it is. Let's watch this huge door. Well, there's probably going to be people in it, so I don't want to get people in the film. Alright. Ooh, big one. There goes Coach 2. Alright. Let's stand back here. Joel. Oh yeah, there's 10,000 pound capacity on this one. Too much for Otis. Door closes when we press the button. I like that. There's indicator, fire service, fixtures. Now we're gonna get a cab view. This is a big Otis freight elevator. IKEA, gift cards, food stuff. Alrighty. There's your Department of Commerce. Oh my god. A big jolt. Okay, people are gonna get on, so. Alrighty. That's it. But wait, there's more. These are the double elevators inside of the market. We have more Otis. One just went upstairs, so it's probably going to be this one right here. It's weird how they have the innovation fixtures when this is actually an Otis elevator. I mean, I know Otis doesn't have innovation fixtures, but it is Otis on the Department of Commerce. Ooh, this one's double-sided. Alright, let's go up to 2. Maybe 2 is the one that opens up on the rear side. Let's see how bad this one jolts. Ooh, this one has a loud motor. Listen to that. Awesome motor. There's the rear side. Oh. Going down? Yeah. Alright. What? Which one did we look at? Which one? A lot of pictures. Now you're asking me which one. Okay, I want to confirm. Yeah, I'll wait for you. Door closes when we press the button almost. Alright, let's listen to this motor again. Awesome. Alright. This one is huge. This one is much bigger than the other one. We're not going to switch elevators here today because I don't want to take up most of you guys' time. But look at how big this thing is. Let's watch this humongous door open. Awesome. And we're going to hop off here. There it goes. And that is it.